And he is called Baladev, or Balaram, Adik, Bala Adik, Balam Vidu. He is called Bala Ram, or Bala, or Balaram. He is called Ram for this reason, that because Balaram is a combination of two names, Bala and Ram. He's strong and he gives Rama satisfaction, tushti, pleasure, happiness in the mind and heart of his servants, his mother and father and brother and all his servants and devotees and friends. Raman, Ramaniti Rama. So he's Ram, but he's also Bala. Why is he Bala? Because Bala Adik. He has excessive, extraordinary, extra strength. He's Superman. Super strong. And he's also called Sankarshan. Why is Baladev? Well, Ram Baladev, or Balaram Baladev. Why is he called Sankarshan? Because he unites Yadunam Apritag Bhavat. He unites. He manages to keep the Yadavas united in heart and mind. So he's called Sankarshan.